Hi, I'm Deborah, a department head at Alamance Community College, and today I want to talk about the mechanics behind sending a list of students a particular message using Watermark, formerly Aviso. Most of us know about sending messages with Watermark to a class of students, so an entire course by clicking the checkbox at the top of the class so that each and every student is selected, and then you can send a message easily. And we even have discussed previously the use of templates and filters to send targeted groups of students some important correspondence. Today, I want to talk about how to use messages over here on the far right to send a list of students a particular announcement or correspondence. So sometimes we as instructors or administrators are given a list of students, possibly a list of student IDs. For example, a list of students who have applied to graduate or who have been approved to graduate. That's the example I'm going to use today. So I am in the messages area and I am going to hit New. In the New Messages panel, we can see there are two designations here, a to and recipients. So similar functionality there. If I choose to, I see a lot of the filters that I have created. That can be useful at times. But if I drag all the way to the bottom, there's a choice, recipients from list of IDs. When I make that selection, I can then paste the IDs into the to box. I happen to have saved a list of IDs. I just cut a column out of an Excel spreadsheet so I can select all and then Control-C to copy those and drop them right into that to box. I can send to both their institutional email and their personal ID. And in this particular case, rather than penning a brand new message, I will select the cap and gown pickup message from my templates, so the subject and contents are dropped right into the proper spaces. I can create a note from that message or log the message like we're used to doing, and if I create a note, I can choose the note type so that it gets categorized appropriately. So I can say email outreach. And then just click send. And all of that list of students that I've been provided will get that important correspondence, and I'm done. Quick and easy, because Watermark does make things quick and easy. But I hope that this little tutorial gives you a new and powerful method to use, and you can reach out to even more students using Watermark.